Did you know that a simple breathing technique can reduce your stress and anxiety in minutes? If you're a single mom feeling overwhelmed by the daily pressure, stay with me. I'll show you how Bhramari Pranayama, an ancient practice, can transform your mind and bring calm even in the toughest moments. And the best part, you can do it anywhere, anytime. What is Bhramari Pranayama? Bhramari Pranayama is a breathing technique that mimics the sound of a humming bee, helping to calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety. This practice activates the vagus nerve, which regulates stress and the body's fear response. It's simple, safe, and can be done in just a few minutes, perfect for single moms who need a quick and effective break. Hook, but how exactly does this technique work in your body? Let's find out in the next block. Scientific benefits of Bhramari Pranayama. Studies show that this technique lowers blood pressure, improves sleep quality, and reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone. It also helps improve concentration and emotional balance, essential for anyone living the intense routine of a single mom. Hook, want to learn how to do this technique right now? In the next block, I'll guide you step by step. How to do Bhramari Pranayama, step by step. Sit comfortably with your spine straight, close your eyes and gently place your index fingers over your eyelids. Inhale deeply through your nose. As you exhale, make a continuous zzz or gram humming sound like a bee. Repeat for 5 to 10 cycles, focusing on the sound and vibration. Hook, now that you know how to do it, let's talk about when and where to practice for the best results. When and where to practice. The ideal times are in the morning to start your day calm, or at night to relax before sleeping. But the beauty of Bhramari Pranayama is that you can do it anywhere, at work, at home, or even in the car while waiting for your child at school. Hook, want to know how to integrate this practice into your daily routine? In the next block, I'll give you practical tips. Integrating Bhramari Pranayama into your daily routine. Set aside 5 minutes a day for this practice. It can be right after waking up, during a work break, or before bed. Combine it with other self-care techniques like light stretching or guided meditation to boost the effects. Hook, and if you think this isn't enough, wait until you discover the power of conscious breathing in the next video. Now that you know Bhramari Pranayama, why not start today? Practice this technique and feel the difference in your anxiety and stress levels. If you liked this video, leave a like, share it with other single moms who need this help, and subscribe to the channel for more practical tips on self-care and emotional control. See you in the next video.